So Apple just redefined what a lightweight powerhouse looks like. Yes, the new Apple MacBook Air with M4 chip. It is sleeker, faster, and more powerful than before. So how does this compare with the previous generation MacBook Air? So this new M4 chip, it's more efficient. It gives you a better battery backup. Apple claims 18 hours of battery backup, which is an hour more than the previous generation MacBook Air. And now, if you need multiple displays with the MacBook Air, yes, it is possible with the M4 chip. So you can connect multiple displays with your new MacBook Air. So now it supports 2 external monitors, and this is first for the MacBook Air models. So the previous one never supported external multiple displays. You can only connect one, but now you can do up to 2. And if you talk about video calls, the FaceTime camera, they upgraded it to 12 megapixel. So you can get a crisp, clear video when you're on FaceTime with the new MacBook Air. So who is this MacBook for? It is for if you're running a business, if you're a content creator, a student, working professional, or even if you want to code. This MacBook Air can do it all. It's a lightweight and reliable machine. So whether you're coding a new app or editing your videos or working on emails or internet, this machine can handle it with ease. But let me set the expectations. This is not a gaming laptop. So if you're looking to play AAA games with the higher settings, then you need to look for something else. And while it's powerful, professionals who do 3D rendering or some heavy or complex simulations or high-end music production, they might find MacBook Pro a better fit. And with this new MacBook Air, Apple launched it in a new color. Yes, the sky blue. It comes with Apple Intelligence built in, the new AI-powered Siri, and it's available in 2 sizes, 13-inch and a 15-inch. 13-inch starts from $999 and the 15-inch is $1199. So let me know what you think about the new MacBook Air. Thank you.